Why is my hair falling out shortly after receiving a hair transplant surgery? What we must remember is the hair that has been implanted into the recipient area where you require more hair usually comes from the back or the sides or the beard. Now, when we take the follicles, which are the actual root underneath the skin, we also take the skin and the hair from the back. And when we transplant this to a different part of the body, i.e. the top of your head, we are also taking the skin and the hair from the donor area, for example, the back of the scalp. When we move this dead skin and dead keratin sheath, which is the hair, will fall out over the next 6 weeks. What's important to remember is we are not transplanting the hair, we are actually transplanting the follicle which exists underneath the skin. And when we transplant this to the recipient area, it's the hair follicle, the dermal papilla, which actually contains the germ cells to grow new hair. This is what is the important stuff. And this is firmly underneath the skin. What you see shedding is simply dead skin and dead hair that's been taken from the back, and this is entirely normal.